Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a team in Pokémon Go. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to join a team in Pokémon Go, the first thing to do is to make sure to tap open your Pokémon Go application. Before beginning, you must be on level 5 for Pokémon Go. Once you are, you can go ahead and visit a nearby gym. Simply visit the gym and you'll be able to see this interface. You'll need to now choose to join of 3 teams. Simply go ahead and tap on the screen to go through this part. First, read through the text, and the first team you can join will be displayed like this. This one's the Instinct team or the yellow team. Give it a tap, and the next team you can join in is the Mystic or the blue team. Go through the text, and the last team is the red or the Valor team. You can select from one of these teams shown on your screen. Make your selection to join in by tapping on the team name at the bottom and make your selection by tapping on one of the options. Select OK in order to join the team that you've selected, and you have successfully joined in to a Pokemon team. And that way you have successfully joined in a team on Pokemon Go. You will now stick with your team throughout your Pokemon Go journey. The trainers from opposing teams will battle for control of the gyms, which is reflected by the color of the gym. That is how you'll be able to join in to a team on Pokemon Go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.